everyone, let's try to solve this question and we find the value of alpha in our question, and the given is magnitude of alpha I plus alpha plus 1 j plus 2k. This magnitude is equal to 3. So let's start. We know that if we have a vector which is equal to xi plus yj plus ck, if we find the magnitude of this vector, then we have a square root x square plus y square plus z square. This is the magnitude of this v vector. So we find the magnitude of this above equation. So this will become a square root alpha square plus 1 plus alpha whole square plus 2 square, and this is equal to 3. So in the next step, we use the identity on this middle value. So this is we use this identity, which is a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times product of ab. We apply this property on this value, so this will become alpha square plus 1 plus 2 times alpha, and the 2 square is 4, which is equal to 3. Now we simplify this value. So this is a square root alpha square plus alpha square is a 2 times alpha square plus 2 times alpha plus 1 plus 4 is a plus 5. It's equal to 3. Now in the next step, we want to remove this square root. For this, we take a square on both sides of this equation. So take a square on this side and also take a square on this side. So this square and square root will cancel. So we just get a 2 times alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 5. This is equal to, this will become a 3 square is a 9. So in the next step, we subtract a 9 on both sides of this equation. So this is our 2 alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 5 is 9 is equal to 0. Now we simplify these two value. So plus 5 minus 9 is a minus 4. This is equal to 0. Now to involve in all these terms, so we factor out 2. So this first term will become alpha square and second term will become alpha. This last term will become just 2, and this is equal to 0. In the next step, we divide this equation by 2 on both sides. So this 2 and 2 cancel. We just get alpha square plus alpha minus 2. 0 divided 2 is just 0. And now this will become a quadratic equation. So we use a quadratic formula, and the formula is alpha is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a. And a is a coefficient of alpha square, which is 1, and the b is a coefficient of alpha, which is 1, and the c is a constant, which is a minus 2. Now we substitute this value in this formula. Minus b is a 1 plus minus square root b square mean 1 square, which is 1 minus 4. A is a 1 and the c is a minus 2 over 2a is a 1. So this is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus will become a positive, so we write here plus. Multiply 4 by 1, we get a 4. Multiply this 4 by 2, we get a 8 over 2 ones are 2. Now again we simplify this. So the minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 8 is a 9. So we get a 9 over 2. And this is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 9 is a 3 over 2. Now in the next step, we separate this value. So we have a alpha is equals to minus 1 plus 3 over 2, and alpha is equals to minus 1 minus 3 over 2. Look at this. Alpha is equals to minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So this is a 2 over 2. And after cancellation, we just get a 1. So alpha is equal to 1. Now look at this. Minus 1 and minus 3 is a minus 4. So alpha is equals to minus 4 over minus 4 over 2, and 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, so we get our alpha is equal to minus 2. So in our question the value of alpha is 1 and other value of alpha is minus 2, and we have done. Thank you.